Can I be on this side?
Yeah.
Or which side did you want to
No,
go?
it doesn't matter. I mean,
Okay, I'm sorry, right here.
be able to see good?
Yeah, perfect. Okay, yeah, it's not hot like that one was when we... I got it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
What are we going to do next? Subway in the sky. Got it. God, you're like, don't stop over here.
שיב 12,000 אנשים אתה רוצה לקפוץ על לא
This is so cool. I love it. Okay. There's our car down there. I hate to be driving down there. Traffic.
No, no, no. welcome. My ears just popped.
This is great. Oh my god, what a cool picture.
Isn't that?
This is so cool. Just like that. I hope I don't do that on the airplane the whole way home. Sweat.
No, you don't. Water?
Huh?
You got the water?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep. Huh? No, just nerves.
You're staring at me.
I know.
Subway. I do this all over.
I get it. Take a picture of me while I'm doing this. All right, what ladies?
I had to take a picture of you so Ian would know that you really did it. He'd say, "You're lying. You didn't get it on it."
Ed Koch, Queensboro Bridge.
It's awesome. It wasn't even scary.
That's cool.
That was scary.
No,
At all, really?
no.
It went so smooth. It didn't even go.
I know it didn't like take off like the one that tell you
I
right.
think when I rode one, it was at Astorworld when I was living
Yeah,
with
well, I rode that with you too.
Okay, and I rode it with
me, you, Allie, and Ian.
See, my knees started to hurt here.
Yeah. Where the hell even are we? One time I got nervous because I was like, we kept going because I just thought it went like where the bridge goes up and then where the bridge ends it goes down. And I was like, where the hell are we still going in the city? I didn't know how far it was going to go. All right, well, we're in the city now here.
Wow. See, isn't that better?
Yeah.
We didn't have to.
I don't know where we're going. Let's walk this way.
We didn't have to pay a car. $31.
We're in the Upper East Side.
So by like Central Park.
Central Park will be up there. Yeah. You see any little stops you want to go in?
Yeah, because I think you had said that was like being entertaining.
Yeah.
And somebody had told us that like go back. Yeah, they haven't signed it.
UPS store?
It did seem like that is
I'm so glad you did it. I'm so glad you did it. Ooh, let's walk by the flowers. They're so pretty.
Yeah, wait till it collects.
There?
Yeah, it's on this corner, I think, or the one after. It's very close. We saw it on our way here.
She's a rebel.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
We'll walk over. Oh, it smells so good right here.
Oh my God. Here, Ding. Come over here, Ding. Take a picture of me just walking by them. I'm not gonna look back. Don't zoom in. I like the